So the app, there's two elements to the app. The first part is what it can do for you now, and the second part is what can it do for you later. So the what can it do for you now is you can pick any number of moles that you want to measure, and you measure it relative to a reference control so that you can accurately determine is it growing or not. And then it gets a monthly reminder, you know, so that you get to a little prompt that you need to measure it the next month so that you can see if it's changing over time. And the way we talk about it is you need to map, measure, and monitor monthly. And so that's kind of what it does for you now. What it's going to do, though, there's a subset of people who are really eager to help us push forward the research associated with it. So unlike any other mole mapper app that's out there, this is associated with a research project that's accumulating all of the images from people who are willing to send us the pictures of their moles and tell us what's happening with those moles over time. Did they get it removed? If they got it removed, can you show us the size of the scar and things like that? And what that's doing is building a picture bank of images of moles that we hope will then be able to open up to the entire scientific analysis community and have them sort of put all their brain power behind figuring out, could you predict from this data, is there some algorithm that you could conceive that would be able to predict which of those moles was gonna need to have them be removed beforehand? And if you can do that, then you've actually shifted what we can do now to something much, much better, which is to actually reach as many people as possible that have a phone in their hand to tell them whether they need to have a mole removed or not.